First, navigate to the AI Services menu, then select Phone Numbers from the drop-down. Next, click the Order New Number button. Then select your desired country. For some countries, documents must be submitted. These are legal requirements that we have no control over, so please keep this in mind. For example, this is not required for a number from the United States. After that, under Area Code, you can search for a local number for your city or region. Please note that the country code is already set, so you'll need to omit the first 0 when searching. Next, select a number from the search results. Prices are updated daily and may vary. Once you've reviewed the cost in the confirmation window, click Confirm Purchase to complete the transaction. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased your desired phone number. You can find it under My Numbers. Depending on the country, it may take a moment for the number to be activated and appear under My Numbers, as document verification may be required before it's ready for use. With your newly purchased number in hand, you find it in the list, click the Options menu, select Assign Agent, and attempt to assign it to a voice agent.